officially on the Muskingum. There's Tuscawaras. Come off the wall of hunting. 115 miles to the Ohio River. Here we go. There he is. Dave's freaking bald eagle. He's been talking about this thing nonstop. There's its massive nest. Where the hell is it? There it is right there. There's some babies in there. Start another band or what? Done. A bunch of birds living in the mud. Dresden.
My wallet is still dry.
Oh yeah. There we go, day 2. I got rods today. Here's old Dave. We did 22 miles yesterday. We got 24 today. Hopefully the rain stays away. And I am loaded down heavy. There he is, the big eagle. Second one. Not a very good shot. We'll catch up to him. His nest is in here. It's real hard to tell. Let's see.
Alright, get a picture of this guy.
Hold on. There it is right there, the big one. Awesome. Made it to Ellis. All right, here we go. Portaged around Ellis. Lock number 11. Next stop, Zanesville. There's the old Gilbert Bridge. There's Dave. Peace out.
I got a picture of this small egrets, the red same.
Eagle number 7. Made it to Zanesville. There's the old Lorrainer. Entering the locks in Zanesville. Here's Dave. Big railroad bridge here. Big old Y city. Getting ready to open up the locks. Alright, me and Dave in lock 10. Getting ready to go down.
Going down. Party on, Wayne. Going down.
Oh, you can feel it. Feel it now.
We dropped 6 inches already. Look at your mooring line.
Mm-hmm.
$6 that sucks.
Yeah, I thought you said it was 10 o'clock.
Yeah.
We'll get there. That's 3 hours. We can make it. Well, it's really 2.5, huh?
4 hours, 4 miles an hour. Average yesterday.
Alright, we went through the first one in Zanesville. Now we're going to go through the second one. He's sealing us in. Lock number 10. Then lock number 2. At lock 10 Zanesville. Going down again. Weep holes, little holes in the walls, all along the edges. There it is, back on the mighty Muskingum. Here's the other end. Next stop, Philo, Lock 9. We made it back on the mighty Muskingum. 10 miles to Philo. There she is, bud. That was freaking sweet, though. Coming around the corner here. See the rest of the Muskingum in Zanesville. There it is. There's the other end of Zanesville. Closing them up. Alright, made it to Philo, Lock 9, 20 minutes to spare. Dude's opening them up right now for us. I gotta get in there. Here we go. Hell, made it. I made it, 20 minutes to spare. Day 3. Made it to Dave's last night. Got in about 7 o'clock and my phone was dead. Before we leave this morning, I feed the ducks. They like peas. Day 3, we just left. Here's Dave. We had to fix his boat. Just pulled out from the old Spangler land. Next stop. Try to get below McConnellsville today. We'll see what happens. Peace. Gazeport. Made it to Rugby Lock number 8. Been a good day so far. Here we go. Going down. Going down.
Like I say, that's what Dad always said.
Choppy.
Fucking dam.
This dam is rough through here, man. You just cut through all this coming out. Oh, buddy. Oh yeah, dude, let's go. Get it. Get it. Connellsville, Malta. That's a cool looking old bridge here. One more lock to go. At least for today.
About 7 o'clock, we're going to start looking for a place to camp.
Alrighty.
How many miles is stockport there?
Where are we at?
Lock number 7.
Lock number 7. McConnellsville. McConnellsville, lock number 7. Got 18 miles in today. Me and old Dave here. Smile, Dave. Here we go. He's opening it up. He's up there cranking it open. Next stop, Stockport. Here we go. See you later, McConnellsville. Next stop, Stockport, lock number 6. But I don't think we're gonna make it there. We're gonna have to pull over and camp tonight. Well, I can't believe it, but we made it to Stockport tonight. That's the old mill. Here's lock number 6. Closed at 8. It's 8:48 now. We're gonna set up a tent and a hammock right here underneath this bridge. We had to walk through the dang woods to get up here because there's no dock. We had to walk through some poison ivy, but I think we're gonna be okay. Probably do a little fishing and maybe walk over to Circle K here and get a cold beverage or two. This is gonna be a legit spot tonight. And if the rain comes tomorrow morning, it'll be nice and dry. We did it, man. 25 miles today. We're a bunch of Neanderthals.
So it's Luke Shoot, Beverly, Lowell, and Nicole. Dude, we've only got fucking 4 more locks.
Killing it. 4 to go. Killing it.
They burnt your paper off there, it looked like.
Day 4.
Motherfuckers.
See you later, Stockport.
They said that's got turbines on it. That's what ran that mill.
Really? It's the old meal. Next stop. Number 5, Lowell.
Peace, people.
Alright, made it to Luke Shoot. That last video, I think I said the next stop was Lowell. Nah, number 5 is Luke Shoot. Looks like old boy already got the doors opened up for us. They called ahead. These guys knew we was coming. So get in here and get her done. Old Luke Shoot. It's a slow one. Take about 10 minutes to get through here. Oh, Dave. It's pretty nice out here, actually. Sun come out for a while. Old lock tender boy said I could fish in here, but I don't have any bait. I got the cast net, but I can't throw the cast net on the boat. It's too damn hard. Might be the only people this guy sees out here today. We're We're here, river, pretty high up right now. We're gonna fight this coming out of here. We'll hug this side. Here's me and Dave. They just opened her up. We gotta go. We gotta start paddling. Real quick action shot of Dave. He's getting it. It's rough. It's rough out here, buddy. People, it is rough out here. Look at this. He's just cruising along. He's made for the water. Next stop, Beverly. There's Dave back there yelling freedom. See you later, Luke. Shoot. Made it to Beverly. Here's the dam. We're gonna head in the canal over this way here into lock number 4, Beverly, Ohio. There he goes. Locking us in at Beverly. I think we're gonna push on. I think we're gonna push on to Lowell. It's another 10 miles. We'll see what happens. Oh my goodness.
Hey.
And if you look over here, Dave pointed out, there it is, the mark of the mason, the stone mason. Beverly, lock number 4. Beverly. We're pushing on. Here we go. Locks is back there. Trip update. We have made it to Lowell, Ohio. Lock number 3. Lock number 3. We're gonna go in here. This is a mile-long canal to get to the lock. It is 7:30. Lock closes at 8. We're gonna stay the night here. Ooh. Yeah. Dam's right over here. We're going over here where this bridge is. So we gotta go all the way down through this canal.
Oh, I believe you.
We've made it. Made it to Lowell. Camp for the night. Well, we made it to Lowell. And everybody here is freaking super nice. The lock tender guy hooked us up with a power cable to charge our devices on over here in the shack. Got the boats tied up down here. Dave's thinking about setting a tent up over here somewhere. I'm gonna go down there in the trees and we're gonna take a little walk over here to the gas station, get us some beverages. But yeah, real nice place. Real nice place. Camp. Cook. Fish. Dave. River. Badass lock. Here we go. Freaking don't get much better than this, dude. Cold bev. Got some beanie weenies. And I got some chicken and dumplings. That's big. You can't get any better than this. This is freaking awesome, man. Alright. Morning at Lock 3, Lowell. Got me a biscuit, some hot sauce, and some cheese. And I'm cooking up some Spam. Dave's down there at the boat. Mr. Lock Tender Man's over here getting ready, prepping the locks for us. Drink a little coffee, eat some breakfast. Take it easy on our last day. 13 miles to Marietta. Yeah, buddy, we did it. Almost. Almost did it. Beautiful morning here. Alright, here we go. Heading in. He's locking us in. Well, we'd be scooting down here. They're dropping this one quick. Super cool fact though. This beam, you can't see because I didn't get a video of it earlier, that opens the inner lock up on here somewheres is part of Ellis lock number 11, because they busted this one down here and then they had to steal a part off that one for this one. So here we go. About to get back on the mighty Muskingum. Alright, I'm back on the mighty Muskingum. See you later, Lowell. This is a really nice place, man. Really nice. What's that, meow? Yeah, that's freaking awesome.
Good stuff in there.
You could live in that thing.
You and the Keeblers.
The Keebler Alpha sycamore tree. Alright, pulling up. Lock number 2. This is the last lock on the Muskingum before the Ohio. Here in Davola. Left Lowell at just about 11 o'clock. It's a 1:22 now. It's not too bad. We've seen 14 bald eagles so far. Pretty dang good. Hey, what's up there, Captain Spangler? Alright, that's it. We got it opened up. Time to start paddling. Next stop, Marietta and the Ohio River. Here we go. Heading out. Big rapids over here. It's the little muskie. Hey, what you doing? What you doing? We've made it to Marietta. There's a big old paddle wheel. Another big paddle wheel. And another one. Ohio River right out there. Marietta. Yeah, buddy. Could my phone screen be any dirtier? There, how about that? That's a little bit better. We made it, man. There it is, man. The Ohio. Look at these guys pushing big loads. There's another dude down here. He's pushing. This guy, man, he's got double spinners. American flag flying high. All the doors are closed. That's a clean boat, bud. 5 stars on that boat. 5 stars. He's pushing big load. Look at all that. Look at all them big Tupperware top barges. Shoo! Marietta. Old Marietta. Dude, I can't believe we've done it. Here we are. We're in the Ohio River. Me and Dave. Heck yeah, dude. Heck yeah. Me and Dave fucking did it. All the way. All the way from the start of the Muskingum to the end.
Where the fuck is dock at?
Here we are. Here we go. Muskingum Valley Auxiliary Navy Boat Raider Edition on the Amherst. It's a snappy kind of looking boat. I mean, decent paint job. The middle, kind of weird. He decided to go brown instead of white with the rest of it, but you know, I guess it's okay. American flag flying high, double spinners. Got a mini Wonder Dome. No back crane, no getaway boat. Doors are open. But he's doing work. I mean, he's pushing. He's pushing some Tupperware tops. Some sort of a scientific oil barge here. Got some stuff on the other side. I gave him four stars. 4 stars on the Amherst. Pretty solid. So we've got some downtime here, Marietta, before Tony comes and picks Dave and I up. Threw the cast net out, caught a little smallmouth bass, and launched them out into the big drink. We'll see what happens. And a couple barges went by. This guy stopped. Just asked if I was catfishing. He said when the barges go by, he says it really like stirs up the catfish. They get pretty aggressive. So we'll see if they like smallmouth bass, because that's what I threw out there. One thing about this trip, man, we have not been able to stay out of the rain. You can see all the way down the river there now. Massive tsunami coming in. Luckily, Dave got the poncho out. Alright, video update a week later, Sunday. We're gonna go back through all the locks except Stockport and get our certificate signed to say that we've done all the locks all along the Muskingum River. Stopping here at Zanesville this morning. Zanesville's really nice, believe it or not, with Zanesville, you know. But old locktender's house here. But yeah, headed down to Dave's now. We'll head down to the rest of the locks. This is the paper we're gonna get signed. I gotta fill it out a little bit, but you see here, give you a little bit of reading to do. This is all by the Zanesville Yacht Club. But you get all the lock tenders to sign this, except Ellis, because it's destroyed, pretty much. But I guess we get a plaque or some gold doubloons or something if we get this thing all filled out and sent back to the yacht club. Alright, I picked up old man Dave here, talking to the lock tender guy.
Yeah.
The lock's house.
Last weekend,
Down here at
busiest weekend.
Rugby.
I haven't had a whole lot.
There's some fish down in there. Some big fish. Yeah, we just got our paperwork signed for down here.
Yeah. Nice.
Stopped at Zanesville and I stopped at Philo. Got my paperwork signed at Philo. Pouring rain. Can't stay out of the rain, man. But yeah, this lock's looking real good today. Real clean out here.
Yes, it will.
Used to have that me and Cooney go.
Alrighty, 4 down. Looks like
Yeah,
4 to go.
We'll have to hit
McConnellsville next.
Hit McConnellsville, then we'll have to shoot clear down 376. Stockport, go ahead and loop shoot that way.
Back down here at McConnellsville. There's another lock that they recently done a bunch of work on, especially out here at the dam. And again, pouring rain. Just can't keep the rain off of us. Well, it looks good out here, man. Get our paperwork signed. I think we got 3 more after that.
Newton hook.
Took a quick pit stop. The legendary Captain Hook. Operated the Muskingum rivers.
And Mississippi.
And the Mississippi, that's right.
There's his family, Henry Hook, Martha Hook, Rachel Hook.
The river's just down there in the woods. The Great Flood of 1819 come up here and destroyed a bunch of stuff.
1898.
Oh yeah, my bad. I can't read. 1898. And he has this quite amazingly cool mausoleum. He was a big pioneer and stern wheeler captain, right?
He was stern wheeler captain.
And, I guess one of the best navigators of this river back in the day.
He was a captain, stern wheeler captain at the age of 10 years old.
You can pause this video and read it if you want. Quick look at the back side of this thing. That's the whole dang family here. I'll tell you what, these guys lived to be, some of them lived to be in the 90s. So that's pretty good for
Like an
1800s. All right, see you later, you hookers. On to the next one. Roll down here at old Luke Chute again. Got the paperwork signed. You guys cool. Is nicer now. Train stop. This place is sweet. Actually, if we do this again, we will definitely stop here for the night and camp. We're out here in the middle of BFE. It is quite a hike just to get out here to this lock. Traveling all the back roads and such. Nice place. A couple fishermen back here. Real cool. Good old Luke Chute. Next stop, Beverly.
You guys having a good time coming up?
Oh yeah.
Are you
Oh
taking
yeah.
video? I'm sorry.
No, it's cool. Down here, Beverly.
I have no idea when it's supposed to get on.
Next stop, Lowell. Pretty nice place. Back to Lowell again. Good old Lowell. This place is sweet. One more lock to go. And we'll have our paperwork. All finished up. Alright, last one.
No, I mean, me and my buddies, I was telling them about that.
Well, you finished her off. Got her all done. This is Ebola. Last one for Marietta. Lock number 2. Great trip. Recommend anybody do this. Got it all signed up. Got it stamped official. Take this to the Zanesville Yacht Club. They're gonna give us a plaque or a special award or something. I don't know. Another thing to note is that if you got a boat, kayak, whatever, come through these locks, man. It's free. This is a free service. Historic. See how the locks work. Great time. Awesome trip. Said, anybody do this? Me and Dave. Wave again. Okay. That's it, buddy. We are the Muskingum Valley Auxiliary Navy. Signing off. First mission complete. Only one shot fired. Peace out.